What is up, YouTube? This is the Transgender Gamer, and I've got a lovely rainstorm here. After several days of nothing but scorching heat, we finally have some bloody rain. This is beautiful, isn't it? It's wonderful. It feels good too, nice and cold. I hope it stays this way for at least several hours or several days. That'll be awesome. You can hear it. It's literally pounding the ground. And my porch here. Absolutely wonderful. I was going to do a video of the Street Fighter game I downloaded off the marketplace when it started pouring like this. So I figured this be a nice way to start off YouTube. Nice rainstorm. Introduce myself. This has been a Transgender Gamer video. Have a nice day.